We're excited to present the inaugural edition of the Bottomline, the definitive guide to understanding India's thriving fintech ecosystem and the $400 billion value creation opportunity that it represents. India is now home to the third largest fintech ecosystem globally, and through this report, we outline our 4E framework, showcasing the 4 vectors via which fintechs have created value in this massive ecosystem: expansion, experience, efficiency, and enablement.
From our perspective, I think this space has evolved quite dramatically. I think we started with fintechs coming up with quote-unquote cool end-to-end solutions, right? Like better lending platforms or better payment platforms, which banks would just pick up and integrate into their systems. I think we've moved from there, wherein we have some folks who continued on that journey and have become fairly successful. But also, I think we now have very niche players who solve very sharp but specific problems. And because they work on very focused areas, they build some competitive advantages. So as an example, there are people who work on data, getting specific type of data for financial institutions. Or there are people who do very specific types of things, maybe around reading documents or solving a very small part of the journey, but doing it in a kind of a outstanding way, distinctive way, which a financial institution themselves will never be able to get to. And I think we work with a large number of players of that nature, and those kind of partnerships have really scaled for us because therein, the fintech partner is getting to us a very sharp capability, which, as an example, it'll be very difficult for us to invest and build a differentiated solution there. And at the same time, there are not many other players in the industry who are offering the same thing. And I think that's an area that we will see proliferate as this space grows further.
If you're keen to understand the Indian fintech landscape even more deeply, please visit bottomline.elevationcapital.com. You'll of course find more engaging discussions with industry participants on the 4E framework, as well as a deep dive into the Indian fintech journey so far, how we got here and where we're headed, and how fintech is transforming the Indian financial services landscape.